Beneath the soil so dark and deep, a golden root begins to creep. Once purple, white, or pale with grace, now orange shines in time and space. Did you know that carrots weren't always orange? In fact, they used to be purple, white, and even yellow. But how did we get to the bright orange carrots we know today? The earliest historical records of carrots are 4,500-year-old wild seeds from archaeological sites in Germany and Switzerland. The first time carrot roots are documented in the historical record are in the 10th century. From Persian lands so far away, to Dutchmen brightening their array, a tribute bold, a farmer's hand, brought sunset hues across the land. The earliest records trace them back to Persia and Afghanistan, where they were originally grown for their fragrant leaves and seeds, not their roots. Ancient varieties were deep purple, red, or white, and they weren't as sweet as the modern versions we enjoy today. The domestication of carrots for their edible roots began about 1,100 years ago in Central Asia, specifically in the region that is now Afghanistan, Iran, and Uzbekistan. Through selective breeding, early farmers gradually developed carrots with larger, more palatable roots. Persian folklore: the royal purple carrot, in ancient Persia, modern-day Iran. Carrots were prized not just for food but also for their symbolism of wealth and power. Purple carrots were cultivated in Persian gardens and were considered fit for royalty. According to some food historians, serving purple carrots at banquets symbolized divine favor, especially since purple was a royal color. Color evolution. The color evolution of carrots is particularly interesting. Early cultivated carrots were primarily purple or white. Yellow carrots appeared later, possibly originating from Syria. The orange carrot we know today was developed in the Netherlands in the 16th century, produced by the Dutch following a cultural selection process. Dutch farmers selectively bred yellow and pale carrots to create the bright orange variety. As a tribute to William of Orange. Little did they know, they were also enhancing its nutritional profile. This orange mutation was observed in a field of yellow carrots during the Renaissance period. The carrot genome, which contains more than 32,000 genes arranged among 9 chromosomes, has been fully sequenced. This genetic information is being used to improve carrot traits such as enhanced levels of beta-carotene, drought tolerance, and disease resistance. A treasure filled with golden light, for eyes to see both day and night. With beta-carotene so grand, it paints a glow upon the hand. Why carrots are a powerhouse for health. Carrots are a particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. One medium carrot provides about 25 calories, less than a gram of fat, 5.8 grams of carbohydrates, 0.6 grams of protein, and 1.7 grams of fiber. Carrots are high in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, vitamin B6, and manganese. Carrots provide a wide range of health benefits, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Here are the main benefits. Improved vision. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining good vision and may reduce the risk of age-related eye disorders such as macular degeneration. Boosted immune system. The vitamin C in carrots helps strengthen the immune system by promoting antibody production and protecting against infections. Balance blood sugar levels. That's right, carrots have a low glycemic index, making them a great choice for people watching their blood sugar. Heart health. Carrots contain antioxidants, fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, all of which support heart health by lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and reducing oxidative stress. Cancer prevention. Antioxidants like carotenoids in carrots help neutralize free radicals, potentially lowering the risk of certain cancers, including colon and prostate cancer. Digestive health. High in fiber, carrots promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support gut health by acting as prebiotics for beneficial gut bacteria. Weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, carrots can help control appetite and support weight loss efforts by increasing satiety. Bone strength. Carrots contain calcium, vitamin K, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Oral health. Chewing raw carrots can help clean teeth, reduce plaque buildup, and support gum health due to their crunchy texture. It keeps the heart so strong and true, with fiber rich and blessings too. A crunch so crisp, a taste so sweet, a snack so pure, no treat can beat. How can you get more of this amazing vegetable into your diet? Try them raw with hummus, roasted with a drizzle of olive oil, blended into smoothies, or even added to soups and stews. Ancient carrot elixir recipe, inspired by history. 1 cup fresh carrot juice, 1 teaspoon raw honey, ancient sweetener and antimicrobial, dash of cinnamon, warming digestive aid, loved by Greeks and Arabs. That's basically a carrot love potion, great for your liver, skin, and energy. And don't toss those leafy tops, they're packed with nutrients and can be used in pesto or as a garnish. Recipe. Healthy carrot cake, gluten-free and naturally sweetened. Ingredients. For the cake, 2 cups grated carrots, about 4 medium carrots, 1½ cups almond flour, or oat flour for nut-free, 1/2 cup coconut flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, 3 eggs, or flax eggs for vegan, 1/2 cup maple syrup or honey, 1/2 cup unsweetened applesauce, or mashed banana, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts or pecans, optional, 1/2 cup raisins or shredded coconut, optional. For the frosting, 1 cup whole milk Greek yogurt, or coconut yogurt for dairy-free, 2 tablespoons maple syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon lemon zest, optional. Instructions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a cake pan with parchment paper. Mix dry ingredients. In a bowl, whisk almond flour, coconut flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Mix wet ingredients. In another bowl, whisk eggs, maple syrup, applesauce, melted coconut oil, and vanilla. Combine. Gradually mix dry ingredients into wet, stirring until just combined. Fold in grated carrots, nuts, and raisins. Bake. Pour batter into the pan and bake for 30–35 minutes, until a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool completely. Make frosting. Mix Greek yogurt, maple syrup, vanilla, and lemon zest until smooth. Frost and enjoy. Spread frosting over the cooled cake, and enjoy guilt-free. Why is this cake healthy? Naturally sweetened, no refined sugar, high in fiber and healthy fats, gluten-free and dairy-free options packed with vitamins from carrots. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between carrot and potato. They are arguing who is the main dish. Carrot: hey, potato. Ever wonder if we're just side dishes in this world? Potato: no. I prefer to think of myself as the main course. People just need to figure that out. Carrot: oh really? You're the main course. The only thing people do with you, potato, is mash, fry, or turn you into fries. Pretty sure I'm the main attraction in any salad. Potato laughs: yeah, well, let me know when your orange self can be dressed up as loaded or twice baked. Carrot smirking: twice baked? More like twice forgotten. I mean, who even remembered you after the mashed potatoes are gone? Potato grinning: ouch, that one hit deep. But you do realize they put you in cake sometimes, right? You're a glorified dessert ingredient. Carrot: but hey, I'm sweet and healthy. You're, well, more of a comfort food. Potato: comfort food? You mean, I'm the reason everyone needs a nap afterward? Like a couch potato? Yeah, I'll take that title. You do your thing in the garden, I'll take care of business at the dinner table. Carrot laughing: fine, but if we're being honest, yeah, I'll take that title. You're just a little mash-ed when I'm around. Potato snorts: keep talking, carrot. You're still only a sidekick to my main event status. Carrot. Rolling eyes whatever, potato. At least people can't make cake out of you. Stay happy and veggie healthy. What's your favorite way to enjoy carrots? Please drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video about healing foods. Until next time, stay vibrant and stay healthy. I will see you in my next nutritional episode. Oh, mighty carrot, root divine, in soups, in stews, or fresh to dine. A gift of health, both bright and bold, a tale of earth's sweet orange gold. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.